Our school, in Slovenian Ekonomska fakulteta Univerze v Ljubljani, was established in 1946, at the beginning as the Faculty of Economics within the University of Ljubljana. At that time, business courses were not in the focus of the curricula. However, nowadays our school is the leading Slovenian higher education and research institution in the fields of economics and business. We are also known as a triple accredited business school. In Slovenia and in the larger region, especially in the countries in the territory of former Yugoslavia, Ekonomska fakulteta is a very strong brand, not only for the education in the field of economics, but as well as in the field of business. In this region, all graduates of business schools are given the title economist. This might be very misleading in international environment. For this reason, we requested our government and parliament to allow us to change our name so that it better reflects our main activities. The parliament recognized that this need is justified, and so from February on, we are officially in Slovenian Ekonomska fakulteta Univerze v Ljubljani, and in English, University of Ljubljana, School of Economics and Business.